Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. All of us are so familiar with bread omelette. It's such a popular breakfast or snack that gets made in minutes and yet tastes so good. It's excellent for our hunger pangs as well as for our cravings for something tasty and street food like. So today we'll see how to make bread omelette with cheese. Let's begin. To a bowl, add the onions, capsicum, tomato, coriander leaves, salt, pepper, and eggs. Whisk it nicely until the egg mixture is foamy. You can add chili powder and garam masala if you like it spicy and street style kind. Now heat a pan and add butter to it. Ensure the butter fully coats the pan. When the butter has melted, pour in the egg mixture into the pan and immediately take a bread slice and dip it in the egg mixture until the bread slice is nicely coated with egg on one side and then flip it. Gently press it to make it stick to the egg. Repeat with the other bread slice. I'm going to stick the extra egg portions onto the bread so that we get a nice squared bread omelette. Cook this on a slow flame until the egg is set and no more raw or liquid egg is seen. Now flip the bread omelette and cook it on the other side for a few minutes. And flip it back again. Place a cheese slice on one bread slice and cover with the other as shown. Cook this until the cheese has melted for about a minute or two more. Our cheese bread omelette is ready to be enjoyed with some hot tea. Perfect snack for a rainy day. I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.